Hello, this is Ron Vargo with Peterbilt of Atlanta, coming to you from Jackson, Georgia. And today I am bringing you a 2025 Peterbilt 589 day cab triaxle heavy haul. It's got the 20,000 pound steer axle on it with 315 22.5 steer tires, 23,000 pound lift axle with low pro 22.5s, and 46,000 pound air track rear suspension. It's got 11R 24.5 drive tires on it, 373 gears. Both differentials are locking. Now, it didn't come with mud flaps because some of you guys haul trailers that will just rip them off anyhow. This one has a 605 horsepower Cummins X15 in it. 18-speed manual transmission. This truck is PTO ready. The switch is in the dash. The passenger side fuel tank is 100-gallon capacity. It holds 40 gallons of hydraulic oil and 60 gallons of fuel. With your front toe pin on there. Stainless visor. Let's take a look under the hood. There's our 605 horsepower Cummins X15. It has air disc brakes all the way around. Let's take a look at our platinum interior. Air ride leather seats on both sides. Unit in Bearcat CB radio. Some extra gauges. Got some extra dash switches in there for your add-on accessories if you put a beacon light or headache rack and strobe lights on it. There you have it. If you think you can use this truck, feel free to give me a call, 706-372-4698. You can also text me at the same number. You can email me, rvargo@peteatlanta.com. A 72-inch air slide. Split fuel and hydraulic tank. So if you can use it, contact me.